Yes, Ritesh, you were saying you would say a few words. So let me put you on a spotlight and then you go ahead. Yes, Ritesh, thank you.
So, first of all, I would like to thank you, Snehami ma'am, and the World of Agile for giving this a brilliant opportunity to be in the class again. Why again? Because I have earlier done and I'm an ex-student of World of Agile. Especially if I will talk about this AI project management course. So it is giving me a practical insight that how we can implement AI in our planning, risk management, communication, and as well decision making. It was always a pleasure to connect with World of Agile and you, ma'am, for the courses. Uh, what I like most that you always explain in the practical approach, which we all project managers faces on a daily basis. So as my role as a program manager now, so it will really help and always it's a new learning, something new always I learn from you. So thank you so much for this wonderful session.
Thank you so much, Ritesh. Your words really mean a lot.